when the first Jews came to Cuba at the beginning of the 20th century, and they came from your country. In 1906, you can see, so North American Jews came to Cuba. Cuba became a republic in 1902, so in 1906, North American Jews came to Cuba. They were businessmen, so they were involved in the tobacco, in the sugar industry, in the railway. Sorry. They founded the first synagogue, which was a Reform synagogue, and they bought the land for the first Jewish cemetery, which you visited today. After them started to come Sephardic Jews, mainly from Turkey, from Syria. They founded also the first Sephardic synagogue and the first elementary school called Theodor Herzl. In the 20s came a big wave of Jews from Eastern Europe. Why Cuba? They didn't know even what's Cuba, but they heard that if they stay in Cuba for 1 year, they can get the American visa. Waves of Jews who wanted to escape from the pogroms and from life in difficulties in Poland, in Russia, in Hungary, in Romania, decided to come to Cuba. They came to Cuba, most of them never got a visa, so they had to stay here. So they became peddlers. I suppose that you know the word peddler. So they became peddlers. After working very hard, so they opened small schmate store, bigger schmate store, and I can say that they were the really founders of the Jewish community. In 1959, to make a long story short, the revolution started, and then there were 15,000 Jews in Cuba. We had 5 synagogues in Havana. You know the story, if there's one Jew, there are 2 synagogues. One is the synagogue you attend, the other one you will never put your foot there. It's a very Jewish joke. We had 6, 7 Jewish elementary school, a Jewish high school, and it was a big Jewish community.